Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Crest RGB Bedside Lamp, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Crest RGB Bedside Lamp, a USB cable, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Product overview. How to use. Connect the nightlight using the supplied USB cable and a recommended 5-volt wall charger, not included. Turn on the power button located near the USB-C port to start using the lamp. Tap the sensing area on the top to change colors and lighting modes, and press and hold the sensing area to turn the light on or off. You can also use the power button to switch the lamp off completely. Smart features? Tap the sensing area on top of the lamp to easily change colors and lighting modes. Press and hold to turn the light on or off with simple touch control. Enjoy multiple color options that create a comfortable atmosphere. Choose different lighting effects for bedrooms, desks, and relaxing spaces. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Crest RGB Bedside Lamp. See you in the next one.